Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check your stock in Odoo. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the inventory option. In this new page, click on Reporting from the navigation menu. Then click Stock from the drop-down. Then in this new page, you can see your stock for all your products. You may also view the unit cost, total value, on-hand stock, and more. Next, if you want to add a stock, just click on New from the top left corner. This will lead you to a new tab where you can customize your stock. Just type in and customize the general information, sales, purchase, inventory, and accounting. Then click on Update Quantity at the top left corner. And that is how you can easily check your stock in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.